All right, get ready for a wild night and morning commute. Let's get to our weather alert. Here's meteorologist Byron Miranda.
Public transportation, right, John?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you're going to do, right now you're okay, but overnight, 4 to 7 or 4 to 8 tomorrow morning, yeah, not going to be good. Could be a disaster. Current temperatures, oh my, beautiful. Low to mid 50s right now. Low to mid 50s, and the high of the day has not even occurred. It could be 60 degrees at midnight because of all this warm air coming up with this coastal low. You see the rain on top of us. That's light rain. Some of it's not hitting the ground. But as we progress, as I said this morning, as we progress through 8, 9, 10 o'clock tonight, the rain becomes heavier. Why is that? Frontal system to the west is starting to approach us. Coastal low is just to the south of us. It's 550 miles away. The reason I give you the distance, it takes a while for 550 miles of water to get over here. That is traveling. That low is traveling at about, I'd say, 40 miles an hour. So 12 to 13 hours of rain in the forecast. You'll see this when I start going through it. I'm going to timestamp it for you now. 8 o'clock, rain's hitting the ground definitely. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, rain hitting the ground. Heavier rain not really occurring until later, but there are some pockets where Katie Corrado was saying there could be some local ponding. You don't want to drive into standing water because that is going to start to happen after midnight, 1, 2 a.m. Watch this, 1 o'clock in the morning. Yellows, strong updrafts, downdrafts. The higher moisture-laden air has to rise and come down in a hurry, causes downpours. Green to yellow, moderate to heavy rain, causing local ponding. Red normally means the potential for severe weather. If you see red, you've got high winds, you've got thunderstorm activity, you can have even some lightning associated with some of this red over East Rutherford, Edgewater, the Bronx, Brooklyn, Staten Island, Queens, Manhattan, into Long Island, as well as Westchester and Connecticut, through 4:30. Now, the commute is happening. This is why I'm saying public transportation is the best bet, because the roads are going to be soaked. Standing water on the roads is going to cause delays, so I would not take the vehicle in tomorrow. I would take public transportation. By 8, 9, then it's over. Then the story becomes the temperature drops in a hurry. It's going to get much colder tomorrow night, but hold on to this thought. You see the National Weather Service is going 2 to 4 inches of rain. That's why they got the flood watch in place, and they have high winds also in the forecast. Well, they're right about all of that. It looks like the trajectory of the storm is going to pull most of the heavier rain, 3 to 5 inches, north and west of the city, but we could get clobbered with 2 to 3 inches right in the boroughs. Wind gusts up to almost hurricane force winds, 74 miles an hour. That's very close to that. Those winds will take down some power lines and trees. Coming up at 10 p.m., I'll be looking at this even harder, so you want to tune in at 10 o'clock to watch this because it's a big deal. December so far, we've been running warm. 11 days have been above average. Our temperature high tonight or tomorrow is going to be 60 degrees at 8 in the morning. Watch what happens as the wind shifts, though. Tomorrow, out of Canada, by 8, 10 p.m., the wind chill could be in the low 30s. It gets even colder. It gets even colder by Wednesday morning, a wind chill 15 after being at a 60 tonight and a 60 tomorrow. Big storm brewing. We will have more on this at 10 p.m. tonight, so that folks need to come back and watch. Right, John?
Got that right, Byron. We'll see in a little bit. All right, busy day in sports. Let's send it to Joe Masiri.
Yeah, that's right, John. The hope turned out to be hype for both the Jets and